Today, class, I am going to teach you how to take a Google form and create a Google form and then share it in Google Classroom. So let's begin. Good evening, class. Tonight, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form and share it on an assignment in Google Classroom. I have up here my tabs open. I have Google Drive open, I have Google Forms open, and I have my Google Class open. To create a new form, you'll click on New under your Google Drive. Under New, you'll go down to More, and you'll see that Google Forms is part of that choosing. You'll click on Forms, and you'll end up with a blank questionnaire. I'm just going to title this as Tutor Video so that we have it. Then up here you can give it a title. Google automatically saves all our documents for us. After doing this, you'll go over to Google Classroom and you'll go, my Google Classroom is already open, so I'm going to go ahead and go down to this plus sign in the bottom right hand corner of your computer. You'll click on create an assignment. You'll want to give it a title, so we're going to title it Test Google Form tutorial. Let's give it instruction. We're just going to say preview tutorial on adding Google Form to an assignment. Okay. Then you'll want to give it a due date. The due date, we'll just give it today as the due date since it's just a test one. And we'll say it's due at 11:59 p.m. You can choose any day and time that you feel needs to be done. Then you'll want to add a topic. The topic is a tutorial, so we'll just label it tutorial. Sorry about the weather. In the background, it's extremely stormy up here tonight. To add that form, or any forms, you're going to click on the Google Drive emoji. And then you'll see here is my tutor video. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then click Add. Once clicking Add, it automatically comes up. And then you can just click Assign. And there it is, right there on my Google Classroom streaming. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, but that's pretty easy and simple on adding a Google form to an assignment on Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a good night.